warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Makan nasi.
Okay. Best be open you and Allah mercy and we sing good morning class.
Morning, Miss.
Okay. Before we start the lesson, let's pray according to your religion. Pray begins.
Bismillah. Ya, lanjut yuk.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Thank you.
Today we are still pandemic that always pay attention to the head of the protocol. Okay, I wish you all good health and extended for today lesson. Okay, before I continue what we will learn today, I want to enter your attention one by one, please.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, I want to make your when the lesson is starting. Please be confident. If you have something to ask, you can at I see the microphone. Then after you finish asking to turn in off again.
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
Today you will discuss with your group matters about polynomial. After following today learning process, I hope that all of your can convey identity the facts about polynomial. They have algebraic operator, polynomial values, and polynomial semi-artists for to solve problem. Are you today? Yang pertama, polynomial and non-polynomial are some forms that are not included in the polynomial form. Include the following: because the exponents are negative, exponent can only be 0, 1, 2, 2x2 because dividing by the variable is not always the form of the denominator is negative. For the summation, because the root is following is not always x cos x because there is variable x in the foundation. Next, addition and subtraction of polynomial f, x, and polynomial can be done by adding or something similar figures. Suppose 5x2 and 3x2 can be summed to be x2 and added to 2x2. However, 5x2 and 3x2 when added to 5x3 3x2 and we recorded to 5x3 minus 3x2 sum the polynomial, it is necessary to find extension to its rank. Example, it is on the table of f and gx are expressed as fx equals x3 plus x2 minus 4 and gx x3 minus 2x2 plus x2. F x dx equals x3 plus x2 minus 4 plus x3 minus 2x plus x2. Dx dx equals 2x3 minus x2 plus x minus 2. Dx minus dx equals x3 plus x2 minus 4 minus x3 minus minus 2x2 plus x2. Dx minus dx plus equals x3 plus x2 minus 4 minus x3 plus 2x2 minus x minus 2. Maka dx minus dx equals 3x minus x minus 6. Next, multiplication. For equivalent multiplication, there are no space contains the multiplication of stable fx by the stable of dx can be determined by multiplying the stable by the two stables in multiplying the triples of the two each is to search the same order of multiplication, both the multiplication of addition and multiplication of subtraction. Example, it is known that two tables of fx and dx are expressed as fx. Selanjutnya, next, dx equals dx is karena the polynomial similarity to stems of polynomial exponents are said to have something in common in A. Have the sum tree, have the sum variable and concept of placement between the polynomial of the left and right section. This polynomial equality does not apply to moving segments or as algebraic operations. Next, polynomial flow. The flow of polynomial f at x equals 3 can be determined by substituting the volume of x equals a into the polynomial from the polynomial px for x equals a is written as pa. In addition, there are two ways to determine the polynomial for anomaly by the summing method and by the standard method. Corner. Next, something method. The first way to find the next polynomial flow. The flow of a polynomial Vx at x equals a can be determined by something the polynomial of x equals a into the polynomial from the polynomial p x for x equals a is writing a as PA. In addition, there are two ways to determine the polynomial flow, namely by the something method and by the Steinting method. Next, 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 substitution method. The first way to find the polynomial flow is the something method. For example, the polynomial Vx equals ax3 plus Vx2 plus Cx. If you want to find the flow of Fx, the polynomial flow, the Mani foundation is represented by G, so that the polynomial flow Vx for x equals Gs for x equals Ge is Fx equals Aq3 plus Bk2 plus Cq. In order to understand more about this substitution method, consider the following. Example problem. Determine the following polynomial flow for the given Vx equals 2x3 plus 4x2 minus 18 for x equals 5. Vx equals 2x plus 3 plus 4x2 minus 18. V3 equals 2 kali 5 plus 3, 4 plus 5 plus 2 minus 16. Vx equals 2050 plus 100 plus 18. So the polynomial flow Vx for x equals 5 is 3032. Next, Stein method, Honorel and another way to determine the polynomial of a polynomial is by using a Stein method, or also known as the Honorel method. Suppose you know that the polynomial is Vx equals ax3 plus bx2 plus cx. The polynomial flow were determined when x equals b or h. Okay? Okay. Sumpah ya. Okay. Today we will enter material about polynomial, the half algebraic operands. Bentar, suara motor. Dia aku cantik gak? Nanti tinggal edit. Ini penutupnya. Today we will enter material about polynomial that have algebraic operations polynomial and polynomial similarities where the problems we often face can be solving with polynomial. Many things in a polynomial as problem solving. Even things that are complex and complex something can be certain to something simple and easy. The relation between two things elements can also be described with Cartesian polynomial. For example, the relation between parents and children, the number of the box and the phrase, number of class and number of family member. Age can be resolved by polynomial. At last, by studying the polynomial of the existing problem in can be resolved properly. Yes, very nice. Okay, so you can better understand this topic. I will give no homework. I have upload in Google Classroom. If there is anything you want to ask, you can ask the WhatsApp group. There are also several video related to today meeting topic and hopefully this will expand your understand. Jawab, jawab. Oke.